Hi, my name is Chris and welcome to Northern Pike. This is part 2 of the 2-part series on the waterproof fire starters. Yesterday I put my fire starters that I made in a bowl of water for 24 hours. So now what we're going to do is we're going to see what happens. In an emergency situation, you're going to want to get this out. Okay? What you want to do, it's coated in wax completely. What you're going to do is you're going to basically tear this into two. Okay? Get some of that cotton fibers exposed. And you want to have it flat, kind of like a wick on a candle. Just like that. Okay? Right here, right on the snow. See? This will burn for a good 6 minutes once it gets to full peak. It'll be about a minute here. And pick it up. Now she's gone. That's the water, and it's still going. There you go. So in an emergency situation, I'm not a survivalist, but all I know is that I want to heat real fast. There we go. Look at her go. My hands are getting warmer. While I'm doing this, I'd like to thank the Canadian Fishing Network for supporting me in this endeavor of the Northern Pike ice hike. And they really, really are good people, and I would suggest checking them out. You can also check out the Northern Pike on YouTube and Northern Pike on Facebook. You know, you're a snowmobiler, you're an ice fisherman, whatever the case may be, survivalist hunter, you're going to be out in the elements, and you're going to want something that's going to be guaranteed starting. I mean, we're talking on snow right now. So you know, carry this with you in a little tin, however you want to carry it. It doesn't matter. It's not going to get wet. What I would suggest is not keep it in a hot area. Keep it in your pocket if you had to keep it in there. But I would just keep it in your jacket. Closely as you can. I would pick a ferro rod or any type of striker. As you see, we're probably up to 2 minutes right now. She's still going. Look at her. She's going really good. Imagine, you know. You fall in the water, you gotta get your clothes off. That fire is going to get your clothes off, so wringing them out, you want to try to start a fire. Your hands are too cold. You don't want to get warm so that you can do these things. I mean, it's not a joke. I could pick this up. Be careful. That can be picked up. You see? Going back down. It doesn't matter. It's still going to go. Turn it upside down. We're going on about probably going 3 minutes right now, and I guarantee it goes to about 6 minutes. And this is the snow, it's awesome. There will be a lot of more videos coming out this probably in the fall or the end of the winter here on Lake Nippissing, as I'm going to be testing out my first ice hut in Northern Pike, which has advertising space available on the back for rent. An idea came up just to fund my way of getting my hut to the lake and back. So, and this is another thing just to fund it, because I'm not a rich man, but I'm trying different. So, you know, and the Canadian Fishing Network really boosted my confidence by having that trust in me. And it was great, so thank you very much to that. I'd also like to mention, if you're in the London surrounding area, also check out Versatile Electric. if you wanted your electricity done right, not only that, Randy Fries, he will do it all. So I would suggest calling him if you want a good job. We're going on 4 minutes, aren't we, Travis?
Yeah.
Let's see. You can blow it out. You know, you gotta move it. Let's say, for instance. You see, this will start, it'll burn a hole right through the floor. I've turned it upside down now. And she's still going. She would burn best and less fuel if there's any way to keep the wind from blocking it. I don't know. Taking your gloves, whatever. Oh, I haven't used all that. I use my hands. Put her up. Look at that. You know, in this match, there's more fuel. You know, in a survival situation, you don't waste it all. You know? And like this paper says, keep away from children. Or I would suggest showing your children how this will work. Take them in the backyard, show them how to do it. You're going on a skidoo trip, you're a teenager just starting out, going on the ice by himself with his friends. You know, this is a cheap, fast method to save your life. You can't put a price on that. You can buy all these gimmicks, but really all you need is a fire. Like this. It's not going to go out in the snow. We're going 6 minutes here. Or if you're just getting in your ice head, you want to get that fucking ice head, the stove going. Sorry about my language there. You're going to want to get it going fast. I do anyway. That way I can get fishing. As you see, it's now starting to burn around the snow and it's starting to heat. Like cold, it's starting to go right through this ice here. As you see, this one here is still floating. And I think even if, you know, say it starts to snow, that's not going up. Anyway, thank you and subscribe to Northern Pike.